Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making sweet potato with meatball casserole, and I'm going to go step by step and show you how I make this beautiful recipe. So here I have my sweet potatoes that I slice them like these. You can slice them thinner than this if you want, and I'm going to place them right here. The sweet potatoes is going to be my base for this recipe. Now there you have it, guys. It doesn't have to be perfectly cut or neat because you won't tell when you finish putting all these toppings right onto your sweet potato meatball casserole. So now I'm gonna go in with my mixed vegetable. And I'm layering it as I go. This is mixed vegetables with some broccoli. Now I'm gonna go in with my meatballs. You can use meatball, you can use whatever you want. This is very nice and very tasty. There you have it. And now this is all my seasonings right here. So beautiful in color. And that's what we want. We're looking for all that beautiful color. Sorry. These are some onions, bell peppers, scallion, all of that lovely goodness. See, look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Cheese lovers, you can put a lot of cheese, but as for me, I won't be putting a lot of cheese. I'm just going to put a little bit on the top. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to go over to my eggs. Now for my eggs, all I need is ½ cup of almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want to use. And I have some jerk season in lemon juice. I love to use a little bit of lemon juice in my eggs because of the rawness. Get that all out, guys. And this is some thyme, just a thyme leaf. And this is all my spice and seasonings. Down below, I'm going to tell you all the spice and seasoning that I use. So don't worry, guys. I'm just going to dump all of it in. And I'm going to whisk my eggs until I get that nice fluff that I'm looking for. It smells delicious too, guys. So as you can see, guys, this is my egg that I just beat. And look at all that thyme and all that beautiful flavor. It smells so good. Now we're going to pour this right across the board. Right here. Like this. Nice and delicious. It smells so good, guys, and it's not even cooked yet. So alright, guys, there you have it. I put a little bit of cheese on top. You can plaster it with cheese if you like. And I'm gonna push this in the oven and I'll be right back. Guys, look at all that beautiful color. The aroma smells so good, guys. Look at that. It's forming. I'm going to show you that at the end. Look at that, guys. Lovely and beautiful and very, very tasty. Try this, guys. This is breakfast for 2 weeks, actually. Now, there you have it. Closer look. so nice and delicious. Look at all of that. Nice and lovely. See that, guys? Look at that. Look at that steam. Try it, guys.